Hey guys, thank you so much for joining me. My name is Matt Bogosian. In today's video, I'm going to take you on a tour through the Drees Ballentine floor plan. Come on, let's check it out. Now, this is actually the model home in a neighborhood called Whistle Stop in Thompson Station. Let's check it out. Exterior, they've got, I want to say 3 or 4 different elevations that you can choose from. Of course, the model homes always are the most tricked out, right? You've got the 2-car garage with the carriage garage right there. Probably have ton of upgraded landscaping. Great little front porch here though. I like that. Show you guys that right there. Not bad. I mean, enough room for a couple chairs and a table. Show you the front. First thing I notice is check out these doors. How awesome is that? Probably cost a ton, but that's okay. So Drees is really awesome about providing great floor plans that are proven and have tons of different options. This particular plan can be a 4 or 5 bedroom. It's got a media room option. It has a 2 or 3-car garage option. I think it's around 4,000 square feet, just depending on which options you choose. So you step into the foyer, and to the left right here, you've got a little hallway, and I'm gonna go straight past the office, and this is a little powder room. Pretty neat tile wall right there. I like that. And then this here is the office. Very nice. Oh, I like that wall too. Got your stairs there on the right. That right there is just a little closet. And then here's your living room and kitchen. How nice is that? Oh my gosh. They really know how to deck these model homes out. Let's just turn around here. We'll focus on the kitchen here in a minute. So there's the living room. Got the painted fireplace, wood beam ceilings. And check this out. I guarantee this is an option, but how cool is this? Oh my gosh. Perfect for entertaining. Turn back this way, give you guys a good view. I love the big windows. There's plenty of light coming in here. Drees just does such an excellent job. And here's the kitchen. Wow. I mean, they did that right, didn't they? Got the double stacked cabinets. They went with the different colors, white and with that kind of blue gray. Giant island. Gold hardware, refrigerator, double oven, microwave. I like that backsplash too. The colors pull that color right there from the cabinet. And notice they ran the tile all the way up on each side of the hood. I like that. All right. And then in here is the butler's pantry and the pantry. So you got cabinets, countertop, and then a nice pantry right here. Pretty dang sweet. Straight ahead, you've got your breakfast area, and then the door going out to the covered patio. Try to give you guys all the different angles here. Got your dishwasher down here on the bottom. Beautiful sink. Drees does an amazing job. That's why I love them so much. Their floor plans just make sense. Okay, so this is actually, to the right is called the family ready room. So Drees does this thing with all their floor plans. I don't know if it's every floor plan, but a lot of their floor plans where they call the laundry room the family ready room. And they really put a lot of thought into it and setting them up nice. So you see there's all these cabinets. There's always a countertop with a sink. That's going to lead out to the garage. You've got a little closet right here, which is great for putting towels or medicine or just anything like that. And then they also give you a space for a second refrigerator. And they don't have the fridge in here right now. This is a pretty new model home, but I love that feature. It's like you don't have to go out to the garage for your second refrigerator. It's right here next to the kitchen. So really cool room, the family ready room. Drees does that, and I love it. All right. This is not the master bedroom. So this is a second bedroom downstairs. Really nice size. Walk-in closet. That's a nice walk-in closet. This could be an in-law suite if you needed it to be, because they also have their own bathroom. Ta-da! Oh, wow. Nice. I love all the options they chose. I'll kind of go over here to give you guys a view. Such a beautiful home. So let's head on over to the master bedroom before we go upstairs and before I show you the garage. So coming back through the kitchen and living room. Oh, and I don't think I mentioned, but that's just like a little closet right there. So you got this little hallway, and I love that you don't just step into the master. I love that you step here, turn right, another little hallway. You go past the master bathroom, which I want to show you in a second, and into the master bedroom. Check that out. I mean, perfect size, huge windows. It's so easy to fall in love with almost every home that I show. I'm telling you guys, especially these new model homes. Lots of windows. So then you walk this way, and here's the master bath. You got one sink here, standalone tub, huge shower. Check out that tile. And then they also do this thing. They do this in the Belterra. I think it's an option also in a lot of homes where they give you this little stack of cabinets right here. That's just going to be your toilet. And then you've got your walk-in closet. Come in. Oh my Lord. It's huge. Should be plenty of room. Not bad at all. Just kind of stop there for a second so you guys can see. I'll give you all a little wave. Really nice. All right, let's head upstairs. Look at that front door. Isn't that neat? Oh, now I want a new front door. Super tall ceilings too when you walk in. All right, I'm getting sidetracked. Back up. Upstairs. Little landing here. Turn. Okay. So I'm going to go right first. So you step up a couple stairs right there, and then you step into this bonus room. That to the right is actually an optional media room, and I'll show you guys that in a second. And the second story covered patio is also optional, so just remember that. I do want to point out too, Drees does a really good job on their website. You can actually go on there and build this home, and like you can click on the second level, add the media room, add the 5th bedroom, and it shows you where it gets added. A lot of builders don't do that. All right. That right there is walk-in storage. It's not huge, but I mean, you got walk-in storage. I mean, it's there. Let me pull back a little bit. It's pretty good size. Plenty of room to put whatever. All right, so this is a bedroom. Let's see. There you've got a full bathroom. And then here's a bedroom. Like some kind of arts and crafts room. They do a good job staging. Oh my gosh. Like makes me want to start sewing and doing, I don't know. Little walk-in closet. This isn't a huge room, but I think it feels kind of a lot smaller because of these bookshelves built in. So back here, give you another view of this bonus room. The Drees Ballentine. So over here to the left is an optional media room. Tell me that's not cool. I love what they did on the walls. Oh, wow. That art, that is so neat. I love that. I'm gonna have to put something like that in my house. This is a neat room, you guys. Really neat. I mean, it's just kind of backing away. I could see myself sitting in here watching a movie, reading a book, eating some junior mints, maybe, of course. Do you guys want to check out this porch quick? I think we need to. It looks a little better than I was imagining it. So let's check it out. There it is. So this is actually a really nice size out here. Oh, you got guys working back there. This is, if you don't live in Tennessee and you're watching this video, look at all this greenery, blue skies. We get a ton of rain here in Tennessee, so everything's green all the time. I know people from California aren't used to that. We get that here. Okay. So back down a couple stairs right here. You see that? That's the stairs to the left. I'm not going to go there. That's overlooking the foyer. Let's see. I don't know. To the right here. Bedroom. Very nice. I turn right here. Sorry, I need to straighten that out. Okay. And then this bedroom has its own bathroom. Very nice. Drees typically just does the tub, the fiberglass tub with a tile backsplash like that. You can get it all tile if you want. They're very good about updating stuff, but they're also smart as far as once you get your stuff updated and you get into a certain time, they don't want you to really do much more because they want to get your house done. If they let you guys make every little change that you want, whenever you want, it will take forever to finish the house. I didn't mention either. Oh, here's a little, oh, cool. So this is a half bath in the hallway. Very nice feature. I was just going to say, I'm actually currently building a Drees Ballentine, and we've had an amazing experience with Drees. They're just doing a great job. I love their homes. I love the style of their homes. I love their customer service. All their agents are really nice. And another bedroom. And check out the size of that walk-in closet. Huge. I like it. Very nice. I think we hit everything, right? I think we did. So let's see if we can do this. Let's see if we can do this. I'm going to plop you guys down right here. I'm going to come over here. All right, guys, that pretty much wraps up my tour. I appreciate you guys watching. Once again, this is a Drees Ballentine. This plan can actually be built in a bunch of different neighborhoods in Middle Tennessee. You've got Traditions, Kings Chapel, Dove Lake, Annecy, you've got Littlebury, and of course, Whistle Stop. So if you have any questions, feel free to message me. Please like and share this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time. Thanks.